Good afternoon, all. So today I have maintained my court visit diary, that is on 17th05/2021. Today I have observed two cases. One is from criminal side and one is from civil side. So first of all, I'll go along with criminal side. On the criminal case, I have done criminal miscellaneous case. This case has been brought before the district and session court complex, East and North Sikkim, Indira Bypass, Siche, Gangtok, East Sikkim, before Chief Judicial Magistrate, Gangtok, East Sikkim. Name of the judge of this case is Subarna Rai, Chief Judicial Magistrate, East Sikkim at Gangtok. Day and time of my visit is today that is 17th05/21, Monday at 11:30 a.m. So name of the case is Navin Kiran Pradhan versus Superintendent of Police. Navin Kiran is from petitioner side and Superintendent of Police is from respondent side. So the stage of this case is the case has already been disposed of and the decision has been taken on 11th March 2021. Cases referred by the court in this particular case is namely number 1 Divarapalli Lakshmi Narayana Reddy and others versus Narayana Reddy and others 1976, 3 SCC 252. Number 2 Dilawar Singh versus State of Delhi 2 2007, 12 SCC 496. So my observation of this case is, for observation I also would like to highlight the brief fact of the case, that this is the case of criminal miscellaneous case number 420 and 2021 filed by petitioner Kiran Pradhan. He himself is an advocate. In the present case, petitioner and his family members and his friends were targeted to be defamed through social media. Because of this, their reputation and dignity were hurt. Further, petitioner also had submitted before the court that after coming to learn all of this unreasonable and false news roaming around, he approached Sada police station with FIR number 23122021. However, no action has been taken by the police. Subsequently, he approached the superintendent of police but to no avail. Accordingly, he have now approached this court praying for directions to be issued to the station house officer of Sardar police station to register a case under section 416, section 419, section 468, section 469, section 500 and 509 of Indian Penal Code 1860, read with section 66D of Information Technology Act 2000. So the section involved in this case is that I have already mentioned before, that section 416, 419, 468, 469, section 500, 509 of Indian Penal Code 1860, read with section 66D of Information Technology Act 2000. More sections involved in this case is section 156 class 3 of Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Further, in this case, court gave the direction to the station house officer Sardar police station to register the FIR of the petitioner. Another case is from civil side. For civil case, I have done civil miscellaneous case case number 01 of 2021. So the name of the court is District and Session Court Complex, East and North Sikkim, Indira Bypass, Siche, Gangtok, East Sikkim, before District and Session Judge, Gangtok, East Sikkim. Name of the judge of this case is Prajwal Khatiwara, District Judge, East Sikkim at Gangtok. Day and time is today, that is 17/05/21, Monday at 12:30 p.m. Name of the case is Karma Sherpa, petitioner versus general public respondent. Stage of the case is the case has already been disposed of. The first hearing date is 12th January 2021. Decision has been taken on 3rd March 2021. So my observation of this case is, in this case, petitioner was filed by Karma Sherpa through his counsel Dilli Bahadur Pradhan before the District and Session Judge, Gangtok, East Sikkim. The petitioner have prayed for appropriate order for the release of the amount lying against the fixed term deposit account in the name of petitioner number 1, Karma Sherpa alias Karma Thendup Sherpa. Here, alias means also known as. In this case, the name of the petitioner is Karma Sherpa. He also has another name, that is Karma Thendup Sherpa. So maintained with the State Bank of Sikkim SBS Gangtok branch that was created in views of his minority. It is further submitted that he has now attained a majority, referring his date of birth certificate as 07/07/2001. Section involved in this case is Section 151 of Code of Civil Procedure. Hence, in the view of all the facts and the circumstances provided in the case, the SBS Gangtok branch is directed to release the maturity amount to the Karma Sherpa. So petition has been allowed in this case. Thank you so much.